Hello, friends. So, I'm here with the 11th characteristics of successful people. And this is the gist of the entire book. I would say that. And this 11 characteristic is nothing but successful people, they readily take action. So, you just see this is the one characteristics you will find in every successful people. They will highly take action, they will take unbelievable action throughout their life, and that is the reason they will be different from others and they will achieve the success. On the other hand, if you see the unsuccessful people, they will talk about the action, they will make the plan, but they will always fail in executing the plan, or somehow if they will execute, they will not able to maintain the consistency, they'll not able to take the action constantly, and at the end they will fail. They're not able to achieve what they could have achieved if they follow this one particular rule, one particular characteristics which is there in the successful people. So I would say that action is necessary to achieve success, to define your success in your life, and without which you will not able to achieve your dream, your goal, if you stop taking the action. So there is characteristics one more characteristics related to taking the action. However is the situation, whether it is negative or positive, successful people or people with the successful mindset, they will take action in any given situation. So with this, I will end this particular characteristics, and I will come with the another characteristics of successful people. Those who are watching my YouTube video first time, you can see my series of videos on this book 10x rule, to see the prior chapters, prior characteristics of successful people. I will come again. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.